Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Fireblade Illuminated Gaming Keyboard. Now, this is by the brand called EvoFox, which is owned by Amkit. And on the front side, we can see how the keyboard looks like. It's not a full-size keyboard, it's a 60% layout. And a couple of features have been highlighted, namely it has anti-ghosting for up to 19 keys. It's an 87 key keyboard, so it's TKL. There is a Windows lock key, so when you're gaming, you don't want the Windows key to be active. You have that lock option. The keys are backlit with a breathing effect, so that's the lighting effect that they have. And each of the keys are rated for 10 million keystrokes. Now, the front surface as well as the sides have more of the EvoFox branding. Same goes for the top. Let's come to the rear surface. Here you can see some additional features being mentioned. The keycaps have laser engraved characters. The Windows lock function is already talked about. You've got 12 multimedia function keys. So the function keys double up as multimedia keys. And you've got, it's rather USB plug and play, so you don't need to install any drivers. The cable is 1.5 meters long and is braided. The keys are backlit, and obviously we've already talked about the breathing effect. The brightness effects and controls can be easily controlled by using the function key along with either the key right next to it or by pressing the up and down. That's the page up and page down keys to alter the brightness levels. So function and light key for changing the light levels or the light profiles, and the up down key, that is page up, page down key along with the function key to change the brightness. Then there's a little note regarding EvoFox on the right hand side, and also a mention of the warranty period that you will get if you register the product. Again, you should check the Amazon store listing page to get exact details about the warranty period and what all is covered. On the bottom, you have a compatibility list for different operating systems. So this thing is compatible with Windows 10, Mac, and Linux. It's also certified for BIS. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the packaging, you get a couple of EvoFox stickers in case you wish to sport the fact that you own an EvoFox keyboard. And there's a little note stating that if you do go and register the product, you get 3 months of extra warranty. They've also provided the URL for going and registering your product. Then there's the keyboard. As mentioned previously, this is a TKL keyboard or a 10 key less keyboard, which means you don't get the numpad on the right hand side. And you can pull out the keys to see what it uses. It has rubber dome on the inside. These are not mechanical keys. And each of these keys or other switches are rated for 10 million actuations. Your indicators, the LED indicators for Win lock, scroll lock, and caps lock are over here on the right hand side, right above the arrow keys. And here's the function key along with the light key that you would use to change the different profiles. And you can use the function key along with the page up and page down buttons to change the brightness levels of the LED backlight. On the back side, you can see that the keyboard has rubber feet on the bottom, and there are also adjustable feet at the top. These can open up to add a little bit of elevation. Then the cable is braided with a USB Type A connector, and they've mentioned that the cable is 1.5 meters long. So that's it for the unboxing of the Fireblade Illuminated Gaming Keyboard by EvoFox, an Amkit company. Thank you for watching.